Hello there everyone, my name is Preetam Negi, and in this video I'll be talking with you about an error that you may face while installing Windows. Now this error you may face with Windows 10 and Windows 11, and the error says that your PC must support TPM 2.0. This means that you haven't enabled TPM security feature in your BIOS, and let me just quickly show you how you can enable it. So let's just close this. After that, what you can do, you can first of all check your TPM version by just going to run command and typing tpm.msc as you can see here. And now if you hit enter, and here you can see the TPM cannot found error is coming. Now what we can do is we need to shut down our system. So I'm shutting down my system. After we shut down our system, just make a restart and go to your BIOS. For most of desktop user, delete is the button to enter into BIOS. Now here we need to find security. This board is MSI and here is the separate segment of security. Here you need to click on trusted computing. Now here we have two options. Let it be PTT, and in security device support, click enable. Now after, press F10 and press yes. Now our system will restart, and now we will check whether our TPM is enabled or not. Now I have just restarted my PC, and here again let's go in run command and type tpm.msc, and if I hit enter, this time I can see the status and the information about my TPM. You can also see the version, which is 2.0, and this is the requirement of installation of Windows 11. Now if I go back to setup and mount this window, now if I run it, I should not face any problem regarding TPM. And you can see here I didn't face any problem regarding TPM. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.